Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. A 3-ingredient anti-aging eye cream that works. Aging is a natural part of our lives. Over time, the natural production of oil in the skin is reduced, and it loses its elasticity, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. In order to maintain the optimal look of the skin, you need to replace the lack of oils with other natural oils in order to keep it moisturized and smooth. This homemade eye cream features 3 ingredients that do just that: vitamin E, thyme essential oil, and coconut oil. Vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant that can help fight against free radicals damaging your skin. Virgin coconut oil can moisturize your skin very well and is also an anti-inflammatory. Thyme essential oil is an antioxidant, might be anti-inflammatory, and has been used anecdotally to firm skin for ages. For this natural eye cream recipe, you will need 2 units vitamin E, squeezed from capsules, 2 drops thyme essential oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Here's what you need to do. Mix thoroughly and add it to a small container with lid. You can refrigerate the oil to make it firm. At night, dab a small amount of the eye cream under your eyes. This will help the oils to penetrate your skin overnight. You can use it in the morning too, just allow it to soak in for at least 10 minutes before applying makeup. You may also use the eye cream as a gentle, moisturizing makeup remover. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more beauty tips, subscribe to our channel.